Hello students, our today's topic is voice. We will see how we can convert the active voice into passive with each tense. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is present tense. Okay, before changing the active voice into passive, you should know in which forms the active voice will not convert into passive voice. So, in four forms, it will not change into passive. In present, perfect, continuous, past, perfect, continuous, future, continuous, and future perfect continuous. Okay, in all tenses, that is present, past and future, in these four forms, there will be no passive voice. Means the active form will not be converted into passive form. Okay, so we will learn 8 forms in these 3 tenses: simple present, present continuous, present perfect in present tense, and in past tense, simple past, past continuous and past perfect. And in future there will be 2 forms only in passive, that is simple future and future perfect. Okay, now let us start with the first tense, that is present tense. Okay, we will learn the structure and the examples. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is present tense. Its first form is simple present. Okay, now active voice and passive voice. Active we have already seen in 7th chapter, tenses. Same structure will be there for simple present, that is subject plus verb first form with s or is. Okay, that is the simple structure of this simple present. Okay, in active voice. Now example: she gives a pen. Okay, she is the subject, give is the verb first form, s because she is third person singular, that is why we are using s with gives, it becomes gives. She gives a pen is an object. Okay, now when we want to change this active voice into passive voice, the structure will be is and are, third form of the verb. Always remember, when you change any tense into passive, there will be verb third form only. Okay, in each tense. Okay, now here the subject becomes object and object takes the place of subject. Okay, so here the subject is a pen. So when we convert it into passive, a pen. Now according to this new subject, we have to choose is, am or are. A pen is third person singular. So with third person singular, we use is. Okay. Now verb third form. Here the verb is give. Okay. Now give, gave, given. Give is first form of the verb, gave second form, and given is third form. Okay, so here we have to write the verb third form. So a pen is given by she. She is the subject here. That will become object there. So when we change this she into passive, this she becomes her. Okay. So in passive, this structure will be a pen is given by her. Here the example is she gives a pen, and when we change it to passive voice, a pen, here this object takes the place of a subject. A pen, according to this one, we have to choose is MR, is given, is the third form of this verb give. Okay, a pen is given by her because here she. Okay, another example is they take a book. Okay, they take a book. Here they is the subject, take is verb first form, a book is an object. Okay, now we have to change this into passive form. A book. Now according to this subject we have to choose from is MR. A book is take. Take, took, taken. Take is verb first form, took is second form, and third form is taken. Okay, so a book is taken by, see here subject is they. When we convert it into passive, they will become them. So the example will be in passive. A book is taken by them. Okay. Next tenses. Next tenses. Present continuous. Present continuous in active voice, its structure is subject plus is and are plus verb first form with its ing form. Okay. Example, she is giving a pen. She is the subject, is giving. Give is verb first form with its ing form, that is giving a pen is an object. Now we change this one into passive form. So for converting or changing this present continuous from active to passive, the structure will be is and are being verb third form. Okay, remember in continuous, present continuous, being is used. Okay. Now same object takes the place of the subject. A pen is being. Now give, gave, given. Third form is given. Is being given by she. That becomes her. A pen is being given by her. Okay, now the next example is They is the subject here. Is and are because they is plural. That is why we have to choose are. They are. Take verb first form with its ing form, that is taking a book. Okay, they are taking a book. This is the active voice in present continuous. Now we change this active voice into passive. It becomes a book is. Okay, here are, here is. Why we put here is? Because here the subject is they. That is why are is used according to this subject, because it's plural. Okay, but here a book is singular, third person singular. That is why we are using here is. So this is and are we have to choose according to the subject. Okay, a book is being. Take, third form is taken by they, them. Okay, so in passive form, this example will be a book is being taken by them. Okay, so this is present continuous form. Its active form, its structure is subject plus is am, verb first form with its ing form. Okay, but when we change it into passive, this present continuous, the structure will be is and are plus be plus third form of the verb. Here the object is a book. So a book, according to this subject, we use here is being, third form of the verb. So here the verb is take. The third form is taken by them. Okay. Now the remaining tenses or the forms of this present, that is present perfect, that we will continue in our next video. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.